another question. Alam natin, ma'am, na maraming fake news. Kasi, ma'am, may fake news po ba yung kumakalat na video nyo regarding dun sa umano'y pagbawala nyo sa
Maganda yan. Maganda yan. Hindi na to salita ng palasyo at ng Pangulo. Ako na to. Okay. If given a chance to do that again, I will.
Why?
Because I did that for justice. Maybe yung nakikita niyong video, that's 2015.
Oh,
Can you see my face there? Look younger. That's 2015. Okay, why nila pinapalabas to? And splice. Dahil ayaw nila ako siguro na manatiling tagapagsalita rito ng palasyo. Una, ang kwento niyan, merong dalawang magsing-irog na hindi na nagkaayos. Yung bata na iwan sa bahay ng babae, flight stewardess yung babae, iniwan sa driver. Nung tumawag ang school sa tatay, nalaman niyang wala yung nanay, kinuha yung bata sa bahay na kasama lang ang driver. First child niya yon. Now, nung dumating yung nanay, nagalit dahil hindi sila okay nung tatay. Now, kausap ko yung babae. Kausap ko yung babae. Ang sabi, makikipagkita sa kliyente kong lalaki dahil pina-psychologist nag-undergo ng psychological evaluation, child psychological evaluation yung bata. Makikita sila, ipopromote ko na po sa SM San Lazaro. Umiinom ng kape. Ulitin ko ulit kung saan. Starbucks. Magkikita sila nung lalaki, pumayag ako para magkaayos. Okay? After that, bigla na lang, I just came from a hearing, the Ramjen case in Parañaque. So, ayoko na sana pumunta sa police station. But my husband said, let's go. So, pumunta ako, wala pa sila, nagpa-medical yata. So, I told to the relatives, ito pa, cool lang ha, cool. But when I was there with the relatives, sabi ko, doon sa police, lahat naka-civilian, wala naka-uniform habang nag-aresto. Sabi ko, saan po yung warrant of arrest? Ano pong complaint? Hindi ako pinapansin. I introduced myself as a lawyer hanggang sa umabot kami sa women's desk. Okay, tapos noon, tinuro sa akin ng kliyente ko kung sino yung lalaking humatak sa kanya. So I was asking for his name, tinalikuran ako. Okay? So ngayon, sabi ko doon sa isang babaeng sa isang babaeng pulis, okay, ano ang complaint? I deserve to know that. I was the counsel. Walang complaint, walang warrant of arrest. And my client was not doing any crime. You know, guys, what are the reasons or causes for a warrantless arrest? You know that there should be at least the guy or the accused or the suspect should have been committing a crime. Or there is a reasonable belief that he had committed a crime. But none. He was just drinking coffee. And there was a text from the guy that she was amenable to be intimate, only intimacy. So how could there be violation against women and children? So when I was there, I talked to the colonel. I forgot the name of the colonel. Parang bossing nila. Sir, wala tong warrant of arrest. Walang complaint. Walang... And then, after that, it was not the problem with Inquirer.net at the time. Sino Inquirer dito? Hindi ko alam kung sino yun nakalimutan ko yung parang hindi niya lahat kinuha yung kwento. She did not even ask me. nag-viral lang, kinuha niya agad nung ako na ay huhulihin. But before that, I talked to the officers. Sabi ko, sir, walang warrant to. And then, one of the officers then, doon, nadinig ko na nasa labas na kami, sabi ng ibang mga pulis, pakulong mo na yan, pakulong mo na yan. Na-splice to. Na-splice to. Ang sabi ko, ipagtanggol ang kliyente ko, ipakulong mo ako, anong kasalanan ko? Yun siguro yung nakita nyo. O hindi, na-splice. O yan, na-splice yan. So if you want to get the original copy niya, pero siyempre putol-putol na rin yun edited. Sa Inquirer.net, that's 2015. September. Alam ni Miss Pia yan. Hindi nga ako, wala nga akong penalty at that time sa ABS-CBN, sa DZMM. I was allowed to. Diba? Otherwise, kung meron akong mali, I would not be allowed to go on air. And then after that, yan, that's 2015. Yan ang panoorin nyo, hindi yan splice. Okay? So, at that time, sabi ko, walang warrant of arrest, walang complaint. Doon pa lang sila gagawa ng complaint. So, sabi nung isa, namayapa na isang pulis, sabi niya doon sa pulis na babae, anong gusto mo? Sabi niya, pakulong yan. The problem is, kinulong ako, hindi naman di kulong, it's detained. Dinetain ako, my husband, and my secretary. Why? Kung ako lang naman ang gusto nila dahil lumaban ako, hindi naman lumaban, nangatwiran ako. Di ako lang. Ba't masasama yung asawa ko? Ba't masasama yung secretary ko? Hindi ba? So, hindi yun nakuha ng Inquirer.net. Yan lang. I was not even interviewed. What happened? Diba? And the title. The title. So, umpisa pa lang yan, yung comment pa lang yan, marami nang nag-bash doon sa gumawa ng title. Okay, again, hindi yun iskandalo. That's a fact. It's a fact. So, if you will be my client and you will experience the same, I will do it again and again and again for justice. Nung nandiyan ako, na-detain ako, sabi ko, okay lang. Parang si Jose Rizal. Hero lang ang dating. So, pampadubag ng loob kasi nandiyan ako di ba? Yan lang po, yan lang. So, wag po kayo maniwala doon sa mga na-splice na video.